This is Igbo area TV.
5 reasons why Yoruba men love to marry Igbo ladies. Intertribal marriage in Nigeria is inevitable. It is near impossible for the people of a particular tribe in Nigeria not to marry outside that tribe. Although there are usually arguments and fights when couples marry out of their tribes, they are bound to face and experience enmity from their partners' families. Despite all this, couples still find a way of sealing the gap between the torn families with their love. Yoruba and Igbo are 2 major tribes in Nigeria. Both are powerful and represent a large portion of the population. There is an interaction between them just like with any other tribe in Nigeria. However, when the issue of marriage comes into play, they handle it with sentiments. There are certain qualities possessed by ladies who are Igbo, just like each tribe has its own peculiarities. There are some things that are synonymous to Igbo women. They are basically important things one has to know before marrying an Igbo woman. These would help the relationship to thrive well and would help them reduce the chances of getting divorced. Yoruba men who fall in love with Igbo ladies must have seen some of these traits and qualities in the women before deciding to marry them. They know the battle they have to fight with that desire of theirs, yet they are not discouraged. As liberal as a family could be, the members would always express their desire for their sons and daughters to marry within the clan or tribe. They would only accept the proposal in order not to ruin the happiness of their children. Here are some reasons why Yoruba men marry Igbo ladies. Number 1. Igbo women are home builders. It would be nice for us not to be sentimental when considering this issue. Igbo women are extremely dedicated in marriage. Now there will always be a few stray ones like we have in other tribes too. But when it comes to the effort they put into marriages, those ladies are quite commendable. Marriage means a great deal to them, and divorce is a word they do not really entertain. Yoruba men go for them because they see the prospects in them. Now, the number 2 reason is they are excellent cooks. They cook fine. There are a number of leaves and vegetables that are being made into soup by the Igbo ladies. Most of them know how to cook and would feed a man until he cannot eat any longer. Yoruba men know that they will test different types of vegetables when they are married to Igbo ladies. We all know the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. The number 3 reason is love knows no tribe. Love knows no tribe. Some Yoruba men end up marrying Igbo ladies not because they had it planned out, but because love happened. Love knows no tribe. At this point, they have no control over the person their hearts chose. Not giving in to love may subject them to a lifetime of unhappiness at the long run. Moreover, they do not marry these ladies by force. There is usually a strong mutual consent by the parties involved, as it is essential for them to work as a unit in order to gain the support of their family members. Number 4. Igbo ladies are accommodating. Igbo ladies are accommodating. Igbo people love having a full house. It is not strange finding uncles, aunties, nephews, cousins and distant relations spending holiday with them. Although they chat a lot, they enjoy good company. There are bad eggs among them too who had little or no tolerance for people. Yoruba men know that marrying Igbo ladies who are well cultured and behaved will help them keep their family members together. Over time, the family members may start to see good in them and love them too. Now, the number 5 reason Yoruba men wants to marry Igbo ladies is that they belong to one Nigeria. Though I know the Easterners are thinking about Biafra. Sometimes men do not pay attention to tribal issues and condescending statements that may bring a tribe down. As far as they are concerned, the Igbo ladies are Nigerian like them too. There were some Igbo ladies who claim now, not all Igbo ladies agree they are Nigerians. Now, a lot of them claim we are Biafrans. Wow. So for this reason, a Yoruba man could decide to choose his life partner from that tribe and live with her for the rest of his life. After all, marrying outside one's tribe is not an offense that is punishable under law. As a matter of fact, it promotes cultural integration and helps the people of the country to bond better. It is interesting to know that there are people who think like this among us. This article was written by Daniji Emmanuel. Well. Please, my Igbo fans of the Igbo Area TV, we would like to hear your contributions on this. It's open, please contribute. I know some Yoruba guys will comment too. Meanwhile, thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you.